Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your Honda Smart Key. It's super easy to do and should only take you a couple of minutes. The first thing you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver to pop open the fob. You're also going to need a CR2032 battery. I bought these Sunbeam lithium ones from the dollar store and they seem to do the trick. On the back of the fob you're going to notice a switch. When you push down on this switch, it's going to release the emergency key. This key can be used in the driver's side door. Inside the fob, you'll notice a notch. This is where you're going to place your screwdriver to twist and pop the fob open. I'm going to use my Swiss Army knife on the screwdriver setting, and it should just pop right open. When you twist, it pops. Pull the fob apart. The first thing you're going to notice is the 2032 battery with the plus side up. Make sure when you put the new one in, it's the same direction. Use your screwdriver to pop that battery out, and you can replace it with the new one. Put the battery in at an angle so it goes under the arms and pop it right back in. When you go to replace the cover, make sure it's square and lines up evenly. I found that one firm press popped it back into place. Then you can take your key and slide it right back in. And that's it. It's super easy to do. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you can share and like, that would be wonderful. Thanks.